Alright, we're going to come back to this one, another part, which is now transition. So just now when the previous video we talked about animation. Animation adalah objek di dalam slide di mana untuk bergerakkan dia, untuk menggerakkan dia lah. That's animation. Transition maksudnya is from slide to slide. So meaning to say I want to have animation in between slides. So the first thing you do is you just click on any of the transitions ini and then click on the slides and then followed by click transition, and then here kamu boleh pilih apa effect you want lah. So these are normally the common one for now. Okay, so maybe I'll use review, and then the second one I would use let's say shapes. The third one maybe I want to use news. Okay, and then last but not least, the fourth one I want to use, let's say, checkerboard. Now okay, if you notice that the effect option here is you can actually cut or cut to black. Maksudnya dia ada different from black to white lah. Okay, and then transition effects, here you can actually add in more features. Okay, I will explain what is this. This is how fast, speed maksudnya how fast you want to be. And then sound, here you can actually masukkan sound, especially when you come to a new new slides lah. Okay, it goes the same with animation also. You have this function. So here is where you can actually advance the slide by either mouse click or automatically after 3 seconds. So let's say, let's try we do this. So every slide we have 3 seconds. Okay, let's do that for all the slides. Okay, this one doesn't have an option yet. Just put split here. Okay, and then now let's give it a go from the beginning. So when I press play, dia akan kira 1, 2. Normally it's after the whole thing is over, animation, dia akan kira 1, 2, 3, and by the time this one is 1, 2, 3, once the animation go 1, 2, 3, tukar 1, 2, 3. Okay, not yet. This one is because our B is having 20 seconds. So if let's say your screen advance is shorter than your animation for this B tadi, okay, dia akan, once this B habis jalan, dia akan straight away go to the next screen. So I think it's about 20 seconds, and then 1, 2, 3, tukar. So that is how you pakai transition. So if you have any questions regarding about transition, feel free to just drop me a comment and I'll answer as soon as I can. I'll see you guys in the